In this video, I'm going to show you 3 tools that can export various data from Google Maps to Excel in bulk. Find the bot links in the video description. View the full example files from this video on the bot pages. Click the like button to support the channel. And if you're into web automation and data extraction, subscribe for more bot tutorials. Let's start. Tool 1. Google Maps Scraper. This bot can extract up to 200 companies from Google Maps by keyword. Here's how to launch this tool. Head to Botster. Create a free Botster account and log in. Open the Google Maps Scrapers page. Click on the green button to start the bot. Name your job. Paste your keywords with locations. For example, bars in San Francisco downtown. Specify how many companies you need to export. For example, 200. Select your location. For example, San Francisco downtown. Select notification type, email, Google Drive, Slack, Telegram, Webhook, or Zapier. Launch the bot into action. Done. Click on CSV, Excel, or JSON to save the extracted Google Maps businesses to your computer, or click on View Data to open the results online. The bot has exported 200 companies with their websites, phones, and more. Tool 2, Google Maps by Radius Finder. This bot finds companies located on Google Maps within a certain radius from your starting point. Paste one or more keywords. For example, French cuisine. Set the radius in meters. For example, 1,000 meters. Set the starting point. For example, the American Banjo Museum. Launch the bot into action. Done. The bot has exported a list of companies within 1,000 meters from the starting point. Tool 3. Google Review Extractor. This bot extracts visitor reviews from Google Maps to Excel. Select your location. For example, Starbucks on Times Square. Specify how many reviews you need to export. For example, 1,000. Enter your target company's place ID. Launch the bot into action. Done. The bot has exported visitor reviews about our target company. Sign up on Botster and use these smart data extraction tools for Google Maps. If you found this video to be useful, click the like and subscribe buttons for more automation tutorials. See you in the next video.